Good morning, everyone. Today is Friday, April 3rd, 2020. This is the completion of the third week of our school shutdown due to the coronavirus pandemic. I hope everybody's doing well, you and your family. We all miss you. Our assignments need to be completed. We need to move forward and continue to learn and to do the things that make us healthy and happy and smarter. And that's Think Central, and that's Google Classroom, and First in Math. And I'm happy that a lot of you are doing a good job with that. Emily, Edward, Diego, a lot of you are keeping up with your assignments. Nayeli's doing a really great job. So I hope to see you continue, and I hope that others of you will start to log in more regularly. Okay, so let's take a look at this problem here that comes from lesson 8.2 in Think Central, which is multiplying fractions. So we have the first one, which is greater, 5 times 2 out of 5 or 4 times 3 out of 5. So we're going to find the product or the answer to the multiplication for both of those. So the first one, 5 over 1 times 2 out of 5. So we have 5 as the numerator times the 2 as the numerator on the other fraction, and then the denominators are 1 and 5. So all you have to do when we multiply fractions is multiply the top numbers. 5 times 2 is 10. So we multiply the numerators and we multiply the denominators. So we get 10 out of 5. 10 out of 5 is an improper fraction. Es una fracción impropio. The reason it's an improper fraction is because the numerator is bigger than the denominator. So we can never leave an improper fraction like that. So what we have to do is divide. We divide the bottom number into the top number. How many 5s are in 10? Well, if we do multiples of 5, we do 5, 10. So we have 2, 1, 2. So the answer to this first problem is 2. So now let's go on ahead and try the next one here. So we're going to multiply 4 times 3 out of 5. 4 por 3 de 5. Alright, so 4 sobre 1 multiplicado por 3 de 5. Now remember, we want to know which product is going to be greater. The first product was 2. Alright, so we multiply the numerators, we get 12 over 5. Okay? Improper fraction. Now, in the first example that we did, we had it divided perfectly. 5 divides into any number that ends in 0 or 5. But here we have 12, so it's not going to divide perfectly. So how many 5s are in 10? Well, there's 2. If we do the division, 5 into 12, that goes twice. And we multiply and we subtract. So what we have as our mixed number is 2 and 2 out of 5. So how many whole times can 5 divide into 12? 2 whole times. There's 2 left over, and you always keep the same denominator. So the answer to that question, which is greater, which has a greater product, or which is greater, 5 times 2 out of 5, or 4 times 3 out of 5? The answer is 2 and 2 out of 5. 2 and 2 out of 5. All right. So, ahora vamos a tratar el próximo. Let's do that next one here. Whoopsie daisy. Let's just erase all that. Oh boy, we gotta erase all that. All right, well, just keep hitting the button. Shouldn't take too long. All right, so next one is pretty much the same here. You could do this in a couple of different ways. This problem. So it's list the next 4 multiples of 2 out of 5. Hacer una lista de los próximos 4 múltiplos de 2 de 5. You could do this in a couple of ways here. All you're doing with multiples, the denominator, the bottom number, is going to stay the same. You're going to have 5 as your denominator. 5 como el denominador. Eso no va a cambiar. What you're going to add is the top number, and it's simple, right? It's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. There's your 4 multiples. You're just counting by the numerator, contando por el numerador. Y el denominador se queda igual. So here are your next 4 multiples of 2 out of 5. So really what you did there, you did 2 out of 5 times 2, which is 2 out of 1. You got 4 out of 5. 2 out of 5 times 3, which is 7. And 2 out of 5 times 4, which is 8 out of 5, and so on and so on. All right. Well, I hope this helped you guys out a little bit. I'll be posting more videos like this, trying to help you guys out with the problems in Think Central. If you have any questions, just feel free to ask. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.